Hi friends, this is Suvarna Keshav from Suvarna's Hobby World, wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day. So today let us learn how to make baked shira. So now let us see the ingredients we need to make baked shira. Half cup roasted chiroti rava, 1/3 cup sugar, 1/4 cup curd, 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon ghee, half teaspoon elachi powder, and a few drops of rose essence. This is a very easy recipe. To start with, I've taken a mixing bowl and we need to beat the curds with the back of a spoon. So let us beat the curds now. Beat it very well till the lumps are gone and we get a uniform consistency. To this now we need to add the sugar and beat again till the sugar is completely dissolved. So now the sugar is completely dissolved. So let us add the ghee. Rava. It has to be roasted, as I've already told you. Here is milk and the sugar and water. Elachi. And a little rose essence. Mix all of them very well. So now our mixture is ready. See, it is uniform. And now we'll transfer this to a greased baking tin. We need to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 25 minutes. So let us bake it now. So now today we'll bake the shira using a microwave. So here is the preheat convection mode. We need to press this. And here is the temperature. We need to increase the temperature now. We need 180 degrees. 180 degrees is the temperature and your oven should be in the convection mode. And we'll start preheating the oven now. So now we can hear the beep. Our oven is preheated now and ready for baking. So to this mixture, I'm just putting a little saffron for additional flavor. And now let us transfer this to the preheated oven. So I'm setting the time for 20 minutes for the time being. And here it goes. Here it has started baking now. So now our baked shira is ready. It is hot. So let us wait for it to cool a little and then plate it. So friends, here is our baked shira. It's ready now. Please note it is in the Valentine colors of white and red. And also take care to see that it is a little browned like this on the top. Hope you have all liked it. So this is for you all to enjoy. A Valentine's party is never complete without a snack. So today we have my daughter Apurva Keshav will show us how to make a bread pizza. Welcome to the show, Apurva.
Hi all friends, today I'll be showing you how to make bread pizza. It's a very yummy tasty snack for kids and very easy for us to make. So let's see how to make bread pizza. So we'll see what are the ingredients we'll need for bread pizza. Here are a few pieces of bread. Here I've taken white sandwich bread which is butter. You can also use whole wheat bread or any bread of your choice. And for the toppings, I've kept onion, tomato, some sweet corn and some paneer. You can also have olives or capsicum, anything else you want for a topping. I have tomato ketchup and some coriander leaves as well. And here is some cheese to grate on top of it. So let's get started on how to make it. I have put the buttered slices of bread on the tawa to slightly roast them on both sides. Once they are slightly roasted, we'll put the tawa on low heat. Bread which is buttered is slightly roasted now. I'm putting tomato sauce on them. Most kids like tomato sauce, which gives a tangy, sweet and sour taste. If you like it little spicy, you can also add the tomato chili sauce which comes in the market. But here I've added only tomato sauce. Now on top of this, I'll go ahead and put our onions. So done with the onions. I'm putting the tomatoes. It is a good tip to take vegetables which get cooked quickly, not very hard ones like carrots. So even after baking them for a long time on the tawa, they may still be raw. Or if you like carrots and such hard vegetables, better to pre-cook them and keep. Now I'm adding some paneer as well. And sweet corns. I'm adding some coriander leaves. And many of us like Maggi or any other variants of noodles. So you can also go ahead and add noodles if you like. So I'm trying a variant of noodles here. We'll be adding some noodles also on top of our bread pizza. Now I've added noodles to both the bread pizzas. I'm adding some cheese also. As you know, no pizza is complete without cheese. But you can add a mindful amount if you want to have it a little healthier. I have added all the toppings for this along with the cheese. I'm going to close the lid of the tawa and leave it for some time so that the cheese melts and it gives that mellowy feeling. So the cheese is almost melted. As we had kept the bread on low flame, you can see that it has become a bit hard and crunchy, which gives us the feeling of a pizza base. It's not soft any longer. So our bread pizza is ready. As it is Valentine season, we have prepared a pizza with our heart shape. So wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day as well. The plating is again very creative and up to your wish.
Thank you for watching the video, friends. Hope you have all liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to Suvarna's Hobby World. Happy Valentine's Day once again. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.